I think the greatest moment for me was the first time the kids walked out onto a field and just their wide eyes and wonder and excitement of finally being here. We'd been planning on this trip for 5 years, and for them to finally realize here we are, we made it, and just that excitement and wonder was the best part for me as a coach.
Cooperstown All Star Village is really unique because we have the topography that we play off of. All of our fields are down in a valley, so all 12 fields can be seen from the above part. So we have a hotel, 2 restaurants, and then all of our bunkhouses are on one level, and all of our 12 fields are on another. So you can actually be at one of our 2 restaurants and look down at the games being played. And the over 10,000 kids that we bring with 40,000 parents, grandparents, siblings in tow.
We had a blast in the barracks. The bunk beds were comfortable. I mean, they had so much fun. They really enjoyed it. It was a great experience for them. They loved the TVs in the bunkhouses. We brought a laptop and hooked up and watched a couple of baseball movies. We had some fun there, and they also went swimming a couple of times. I told them at the beginning of the week, there's a lot of fun stuff to do here. Let's live it up and have the time of your lives. Whatever you want to do, we're gonna do it.
This place is the 9th wonder of the world.